feeding Raponi scraps to the hungry pigs. What's in there, Trish?
There's lettuce, tomato, chocolate cake.
Ooh. Does Bucky like chocolate cake?
Sounds like it.
There's Trish feeding scraps from Raponi Center Kitchen. What are they getting this morning, Trish?
The bucket. This is
Looks like lettuce.
stems of romaine, some kale,
Yum, yum.